What's up guys, Jesse Norris here with KAGED Subs. Today I'm going to discuss what I do for my morning routine. Now today it's currently about 1 p.m. and that's typically when I wake up because I work night shifts. So first thing in the morning I'm waking up, I'm getting my gallon of water ready, I'm supplementing with HydroCharge, and that's just going to help me stay extra hydrated throughout the day because typically you're waking up dehydrated anyways. Next off, L-carnitine. I put my body through hell with work and with lifting, so it just helps with recovery aspect. Next off, I'm getting ready for my workout right now, so I'm going to supplement with pre-KAGED. I really feel that this really helps me push through my workouts, push up the intensity, and get through these long and strenuous workouts and things like that. As soon as I'm done with my workout, typically I'll walk the dog, and then I'm going to go home, get showered, get ready for work. Typically what I do for my morning routine, KAGED Muscle really helps make a difference, staying hydrated, staying recovered, and really pushing me to get the best workouts possible.